Hello, good morning. Mirabani Wokhade, Nagaland State Farm Renovation Group Karne, Kam Gray Takia Homoide, Assam Side Laka Manukanbra, Tahan Laka Chagade Ase Koigana, the staff Kura Laka Oporde, Achi to state in the Nagaland Aro, Assam Laka, Border Magistrate Kan meeting Tagisha Gushe. Meeting doile T sector TAP headquarter Mirabani de Tagisha Goyase. February 14 day sit farm de renovation gam guri thakia homoy de Assam side laga manukan bra construction guri thakia ke obstruct kurise aro gam gura manukan ge thamgi dishe hoy ase security force kan 142 Padalan CRPF kan lo de coordination guri gena situation do hoile stabilize kurise hoy ase meeting de Nagaland border magistrate Arhomo Yantan Bra Kwasi ke Agriculture Department laga under de Nagaland State Government Canberra Seeds Farm doile 1969 de established kurishe goy ase idu doile government laga property ase goshe Assam side manu khan bra hidu ke interfere kuribule eko hak nai aro kurishe gole do law and order issues kele thobo goshe meeting de border magistrate CRBF laga representative police officers aro Seeds Farm laga deputy director kan attend kurishe itia Mamla opo de deputy commissioner level de kotha kuribole laga ase goshe Mabu police kamba trucks trafficking de involve kuri thakia accused action ge arrest kuri she go ase ta la nam doile KHC iku 39 sal ase go ase ta laga hat pra pansta soap box sunflower laga sis kuri she aro Maruti auto gari ekta bi sis kuri she go ase criminal case register kuri gana etia mamla doile chanbin kuri ase goshe Nagaland Government Teacher Association SSA aro RMSA 2010 aro 13 laga page kan bra Directorate of School Education kan ge takan laga tangkha doile state non plan budget te include kuribo garne demand guri gana 7 days ultimatum do dishi ase press release the associations kan bra ko ase ke ultimatum doile February 16 ba lui gana 24 laga majute hobo gushe Association laga under the 2293 members ase taikan doile cabinet approval laga hisab te state education gutters te kam kori ase hole bi itia dak 3 years kam kori na thakia biche de bi taikan laga dangha doile state account head laga under de nohi gana CSS funding bra pusa doile TSC goshe Associations pra ko ase ke May 9 2025 tebe representation summit kurishe eduke remind na July 31 2025 tebe aro reminder ekta dishe hoy ase Welebi state government kambra dagala representation do hoile side ya nai ko ase principal director of school education ge ultimatum ge janai dishe ke 7 days laga machote ido laga mamla opor de side vole laga janai she aro associations pa ko ase ke chidi do laga machote resolve kuri dia nai ko she kole do democratic laga hisab te takambra step toile lobo ko she Pom Students Conference kambra Longleng District te thakia laka Government Department Office kan ge takan checking jaishu ko ase press release de Pom Students Conference kambra ko ase ke checking gura humoi de kumba Department Office kan doile attendance thik thak ase aro kambi thik kuri ase ko she hoile bi shibak office kan doile working hour de office doile pon bai ase ko she Pom students tunen bra idu laka opor de condemn gurishe aro idu laka practice toile series bra neglect kuri dia laka ase goshe department aro general public kan garne kam guri bole responsibility nai goshe conference kan bra government department aro respective head of department kan ge janai dia ase ke dai kan nijo laka posting jaga de thakibole goshe dai kan laka kam toile iku interrupt nokuri gana pal bra kuri bole laka janai dishe Pom students kan bra haru janai dia ase ke aha laka same de do hoile takan inspection doile bishi hard bra hobo ka ase kon department kan bra station de option dakibo noile takan laka functions fail hobo noile takan laka office working hour de pon thagi she gole to strict action do hoile lobo ka ase concerned department kan ge janai dia ase ki chidi idu nishna laka neglect thagi she gole to department ba responsible do hoile lobo kushe Chadi Valley Landholder Union Canberra 13 February de Mawa Busti de incident hua lau po de condemn grishe aro Chakuma public organizations kan ge full support de ala janasha press release issue gora ke union bragushe ki Chadi Valley area aro Mawa Wallace Council laka macho de mati laka mamla toile BC salbra ayase wase Mao Busti de Council Kambra Kuki Customary Law Enforce Kura Karne Nagaland Owners Kanke Pishi Biabra Effect Kushe Kase Union Kambra Elise Kura Seke 1990 Bra Luigana Nagaland Holders Kambra Mao Busti de Development Kam Guri Thakya Homoy de Bi Pishi Restriction Aro Interference Kura Laga Face Kurishe Kase 1995 de Bi Takan Laga Members Action Bra Mao Busti de Mati Kini Gena 1996 de Purana Kordoile Pangai digana nutun banabole kosis kora time de council kan bra customary practice laga hisab de ownership lab hoise koi gana mati doile sis kuri lushe koi ase union kan bra hilish kuri ase ki landholders kan bra fencing noile construction noile fishery bond kan banabo karne labor kan pathai gana rakhia bi kam gura homoy de bishi obstruct tishe koi ase aru tai khan bra hilish kuri ase ki tai khan laga members laga mati debi saman kan rakhi gana mati toile engkosh kuri ase kushe union kambra ko ase ki itu laga mamla opor de resolve kuribo karne Mao Village Council logo de kotha bi kuri she ko ase aro district administrations aro law enforcement agency kan ge bi bishi bar complaint di she ko ase Mizivima Dibasi Kol laga judgment hisab de Development activities aro settlement garne eku obstruction nidibo garne bi November 24 2021 de bi tishe ko ase wele bi itu laga order dia biche de bi councils kan bra development activities kan ge bishi rokhai gana ayase gusha Union kan ba claim gra ase ke land owner kan ba ta kan nijo laga mati de development kam guribo karne toile ta kan laga legal action ase ko ase Union bra hatsa opor de condemn gurishe aro Nagaland state governments kan ge edu laga mamla opor de address kurobole laga janai dishe Ukrul district Manipur de Naga aro Kuki laga macho de chamala ola karne Manipur police kan bra Naga dominant area de puri thakya laga Kuki students kan 51 June kan ge precautionary measure laga hisab de evacuate kurishe wa ase Manipur police kan bra ko ase ki 51 students kan do hele JNW Ramwa Ukrul district de puri thakishe wa ase takan ge tate bra evacuate kuri gana JNW kan bokpi de lui jabo karne Saigu police station team kan logo de handover kurishe wa ase students kan do hele 20 maiki aro 31 muta kan thagishe wa ase takan laga class 10 aro 12 laga examination do hele situation bia hua karne JNW kan bokpi de tibo karne tate safe kurishe wa ase Rajasthan High Court Jodhpur bench laga court toile choagali pombra urai dibo garne thamgi dishe wa ase High Court administrations kamba janai dia ase ki thamgi toile email laga through ba aishe wa ase thamgi dia laga bichire security force kambra pura compound toile takambra control de lui she wa ase precautionary measure laga hisab de lawyer litigants aro staff kan courtroom toile khali kurole dishe wa ase police team kan TCP Winnet Pansol ba lead kuri gana bomb disposal aro dog squad kan deploy kuri gana pura high court complex to hele security protocol laka hisab de checking kuri she go ase High Court administrations kambra khobor kuri dishe ki security concern laga hisab de court proceeding to hele temporarily karne suspend kuri dishe gosha Rajasthan High Court de bomb thamki aha doile itu first time noi poila bi February 6 de bi idu nishna same thamki bi ahishe gosha Ajila khobor iman de khatam kuri di ase chidi kumba manu nutun thakile morom bar subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi wana janai di ase thank you